So what are the perks to having a short beard? Let's talk about that now. So having a short beard is actually pretty damn awesome because it takes no time whatsoever to get it ready. I mean, I just quickly dry it with the Dyson hairdryer, quickly do my hair, and then put some product in. Pretty damn simple. So I've realised my hair has gotten pretty damn long and I'm not sure really what to do with it. But I'm getting my hair cut on Friday, so it's not the end of the world. But product wise, this is what I'm using. So this stuff right here from Fine Fair Vanilla in the Severe is probably my favourite beard product today. It smells like Terry's chocolate orange. It's absolutely incredible. Let's put the stuff in. So the product is super easy to apply from Fine Fair. It's just this wonderful beard conditioner. I think I did a little video on it already. I would massively go check them out if you're in the market for a very conditioning and very nutritional product for your beard that's unlike any others. It's not good for vegans. It's animal-based product, so it's all done very nicely though, so I'm quite content with that. Do you want to quickly see something crazy? This is kind of like my beard and grooming drawer, and there's just so many products, brushes, razors, trimmers, toothpaste. I really don't know what to do with it all because I barely use any product now. I don't even use product every single day, so it's becoming it's not a nuisance. It's cool having all that stuff, but I don't think I'm ever going to use it all before it expires, which is always the risk when you start doing reviews and stuff. And I don't really want to give them away because, I mean, it's not because I'm stingy, it's just because some of them are part used and things like that. But I don't know, if you want some beard products, just comment in the comments and we can always sort something out. I'll send you some stuff if you're up for it. Just let me know. Oh, I've got the heating on and it's like an oven, but this stuff here as well is some powder that you can just apply directly to your hair, and it looks like this, and you can kind of just do that, but you normally do it a lot more smoothly, and you just work it through the hair a bit. But my hair is so long and out of control, I'm not sure anything is going to save it at the moment. But you can just, mess it up a little bit, get it working, get it in the hair, and it's great. I don't know, something slightly messier, but this is the good thing when you've got a shorter beard. You can have slightly longer hair, you can have really long hair if you want. You can have really long hair with a really long beard, of course. I just think that having a shorter beard and slightly longer hair is always a strong look. I think I always used to have quite short hair when I had the longer beard, and it was just something interesting to play around with that juxtaposition between the two different styles of beard and hair. So yeah, that's kind of one of the great things about having a short beard.